You should have tried this one on your own, and if not, go back to the last slide and try it on your own, either on the printed notes or on the Nearpod has the draw it function enabled for you. But assuming you have tried it on your own, you can compare your work now to mine. A little trouble here. Okay, the function f of x equals 3x plus 2. So there's an example given here where the value of x was substituted into the function to find the output value, the y value for each one. So, and notice it says y here is -7, and here it's f of x is -7, but f of x is y. It's just it's another way of saying the output. When you input the x value, what do you get for the output? Y and f of x are interchangeable. This one is just function notation. So if I substitute -1 as my input, f of -1 would equal 3 times -1 plus 2. That's -3 plus 2, which is -1. And so this ordered pair would be -1, -1. I'm going to graph them as we find them. 3, -7 is right here. -1, -1 is right here. When x is 0, f of 0 would be 3 times 0 plus 2. 3 times 0 is 0. Plus 2 would just be 2. So 0, 2. I feel like I've done something wrong already. Because I know what I'm expecting to get. Oh, I know what I did wrong. I wonder if you noticed that. I graphed 3, -7, not -3, -7. -3, -7 would be right here. Let me clear this up. 0, 2. X is 0, so I don't move right or left, but y is +2, so I go up 2. F of 2 would be 3 times 2 plus 2, or 6 plus 2, which is 8, so 2, 8. +2, +8 is right here. And f of 4, 3 multiplied by 4 plus 2, 12 plus 2 is 14 for the y value for the output when the input is +4. So +4, +14 would be right here. What do you notice about these points? You could draw a straight line through the points, which is easier said than done. It's easy on your notes, but not so easy on this. Imagine I drew a perfect line. It's hard to do on the writing tablet, except in certain applications, and sadly PowerPoint is not one of them. They are linear. Linear means they make a line, so it's a linear function, it's a linear equation. And if I did a vertical line test, anywhere I drew a vertical line, it would only ever intersect one point, so this is definitely a function, it's a linear function.